Good morning, students. Welcome back to biology class. In last class, we were studied about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. It means general introduction of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Our today's topic is structure of a typical bacteria, and it is the example of prokaryotic cell. Okay. So in bacterial structure, following components are present. First, glycocalyx, cell wall, protoplast, and cell appendages. Okay. Glycocalyx is a polysaccharide or carbohydrate, and it make the cell envelope of bacteria. As you know that bacteria is a unicellular cell. Protoplast. What is the protoplast? Without cell wall, containing cell is known as protoplast. It means cell minus cell wall. After removing of cell wall and remaining portion of cell, it means plasma membrane or cytoplasmic contents, is known as protoplast cell. So cell wall is the part of cell envelope and remaining part like plasma membrane, or cell membrane of bacteria, and cytoplasmic contents or cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, fluid matrix and cell organelles are situated, containing genetic material of bacteria. It means nucleoid. 70S ribosome cell organelle, fluid matrix containing biomolecules, inclusion bodies like lipid molecules, lipid granules, phosphorus granules. These are maybe organic or inorganic. Plasmid, extra chromosomal DNA of bacterial cell. Okay. And in cell appendages, flagella, which provide the motion to bacteria, it means locomotive structure of bacterial cell. Pili. Okay. So cell envelope, which is made up from glycocalyx and cell wall. Inside the cell wall, plasma membrane or cell membrane is found, and inside the plasma membrane, fluid matrix, which is the main arena of cell, known as cytoplasm. It contains following components: genetic material, means nucleus, but in bacteria nucleus is primitive, then it is called nucleate or genophore, 70S type of ribosome cell organelles, fluid matrix containing biomolecules like carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, inclusion bodies like lipid granules, and plasmid. It is the extra chromosomal circular DNA of a bacterial cell which help in the biotechnology because it's have self-replicating property. Self-replication means making the copies itself. Let's see diagram of bacteria. Thick layer surrounding the cell membrane, known as cell wall. It is rigid, non-elastic and protective layer. Okay, but in bacteria a third protective layer is also present, which is known as capsule. Sometime capsule become loose, then it is called slime layer. A long filament structure is emerged out from bacterial cell, which is known as flagella. Long extension part. Neck DNA is present in the cytoplasm, which is attached to plasma membrane. Plasma membrane inside enfolding and forming complex structure, which is known as mesosome. And some hair-like structures also emerge out, known as villi, and 70S ribosomes are also found in cytoplasm, and some inclusion bodies are present. Okay. This outermost covering is known as capsule. It is made up of glycocalyx. Glycocalyx means polysaccharide. Polysaccharides are the carbohydrate. Sometimes glycocalyx become loose and thin, so it is known as slime layer. Means glycocalyx is of two types, capsule and slime layer. Capsule is the thick and tough part of bacterial cell, but slime layer is thin and loose part of bacterial cell. Capsule, tough and hard. Both provide the protection to bacterial cell. So capsule is known as third protective covering. Below the capsule, cell wall is present, and it is made up of peptidoglycans. Peptidoglycans are also known as murein, and it is polysaccharide and amino acids part. It means peptidoglycans are made up of polysaccharide and amino acids. Cell wall is the second protective layer. It is thick, non-elastic, covering of bacteria. It provides the protection, non-collapse condition. Main feature is peptoglycans nature. Capsule part have disease causing particles. So capsulated bacteria are known as virulence and non-capsulated bacteria are known as non-virulent. It means capsulated bacteria are disease causing and non-capsulated bacteria are non-disease causing. So capsule describes the virulence nature of bacteria, and cell wall is also non-living. Inside the cell wall, a thin layer is present which is known as plasma membrane or cell membrane. Or cell membrane. Okay. Plasma membrane is thin, living, and it falls inside towards cytoplasm and form a complex structure which is called mesosome. In bacteria, mitochondrial cell organelles is absent, so mesosome help in the respiration. Function of mesosome help in respiration or ATP means energy synthesis. It is the main function of mesosome. So in bacteria, respiration activity is completed by cell membrane forming a complex structure which is known as mesosome. Green fluid matrix is called cytoplasm and a long filamentous structure or thread-like structures emerge out from cell which is known as flagella. Flagella help in the locomotion. Locomotion means movement. So with the help of flagella in bacterial cells, movement is possible. Some hair-like structures are also found. These are known as villi. Villi help in the attachment to another cells. Another bacterial cell or adhesive structures. Okay, and only one cell organelle is present in bacteria, 70S ribosome. Genetic material is without membrane, not surrounded by membrane. So it is naked nucleus double strand circular DNA is present. So due to in primitive nature it is known as nucleoid or जीनोफोर. बैक्टीरिया का न्यूक्लियस ट्रू न्यूक्लियस नहीं होता बिकॉज इसके पास न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन absent होती and it is spread involves cytoplasm. A extracircular DNA is also present in bacteria. It is called plasmid extracircular chromosomal DNA. Property: self replication. Replication means ये अपनी कॉपीज सेल्फ बनाता है, फुली इंडिपेंडेंट है. Pili flagella are the part of cell appendages. Capsule, cell wall are the part of cell envelope. Plasma membrane, cytoplasmic contents are the part of protoplast. So it is the structure of a bacterial cell. It means structure of prokaryotic cells, and it is the main feature of prokaryotic cells because it's a primitive nucleus without membrane and it is known as nucleoid or genopore.